Hey guys, it's Jessica and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show how I do kind of a little makeshift DIY blowout at home. I'll show you all the products I use and how I get my hair to be a little less flat. First, I put in some kind of hair oil. I've really been loving the Day Prickly Pear Hair Oil by Amber Fillerout. I love this stuff. I love the way it smells. I love the way it feels. It really helps with like frizziness and it helps detangle my hair too. And then I go in with another detangler because your girl's hair gets really tangled. This Tresemme detangler is also a heat protectant, so I use that to help protect my hair from the heat from the blow dryer. And then I go in with this violet styling cream from Surface. It's kind of got a purpley texture to it and it's specifically for blonde hair. It kind of helps brighten it and tone it a little bit, but you can use it in darker hair as well, and it kind of helps with smoothing and brightening and toning. And then I brush everything out with a wet brush. I love wet brushes because my hair gets so tangled, and wet brushes are like the only brush that are strong enough to get through my tangles, but gentle enough that it doesn't rip my hair out, it doesn't hurt, and it gets everything detangled without causing too much damage. Then I put my hair up. I do it in a little bit of layers so that my hair gets as much volume as I can. I do usually about 2 or 3 layers, so I think I might end up doing like 3 today. And then I use, it's got a lot of hair in it right now because I use a lot. I use the Revlon 3-in-1 One-Step Volumizer. I love this thing so much. It blow dries your hair so much faster than a blow dryer. And also, I was giving myself blowouts at home using a rounded brush and a blow dryer. It took so long and it was so hard to like use both hands while I was doing my hair, and my arms would get tired. So this here, you just need one item. It's your blow dryer and your brush, and that's all you need to give yourself a blowout at home. I start out with the high setting. And then that bottom layer I got done in literally like, I think it was like 3 minutes. I'll sometimes brush over the ends of my hair to get that part dry. And then when I go into the root, I go under and wrap it around, and I'll hold it there to get a little bit of volume as it's drying. And then I'll pull it down through and still keep turning the brush as I go. And what's cool about this is the wire, as you're turning it, the wire is just like free moving, so it's not going to get all like tangled and stuff. It doesn't get all coily and wrapped up. It just all moves, which I think is actually, it's something I wouldn't have thought of, but it's a really nice detail that makes it so much easier. I'm going to take it down. Now for the last one, I've been parting my hair in the middle because I'm trying to be one of the cool kids. And then sometimes I'll put it on the cool setting to just kind of go through and help with any frizziness. And that is it. I'll probably go in with a little bit more hair oil on the tips just to kind of help with some frizz. How I do my hair pretty much every day when I don't feel like doing it. And took me, I think, probably like 10-12-ish minutes to actually do that. I highly recommend the Revlon One-Step Volumizer brush. It is amazing and has cut so much time off of how long it takes me to do my hair. If you like to blow dry your hair, then this is definitely something you need as part of your hair routine. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you in my next video.